Do not run to pharmacy for simple cough and cold. If you have running nose because of the changing season, try the simple remedy with honey, ginger and black pepper. All you have to do is take a little piece of ginger, grate it and take out the juice. Then add equal amount of honey, add a pinch of black pepper. Mix it well and take it twice a day. The Ushna and the Tikshna Guna of these ingredients helps in stimulating the Agni, that is the digestive fire. It reduces the kapha and helps in thinning and clearing the mucus from the respiratory tract.